everyone, I'm Susan Zheng. Today I would like to introduce our V-button paperback machine. This is the most popular model C330 V-button paperback machine. This machine installation size, length 7.7 meter, width 2 meter, height 1.9 meter. Whole machine power is 16 kilowatt and machine weight is 5.5 tons. V-button paperback machine mostly used to produce the food packaging bags. Here are the sample bags like that. V-button paperback with window, V-button paperback without window, V-button paperback which coated with aluminum material for keep warm function, and so on. The whole set machine consists of unwinding pots, hot melt glue pots for option, bag forming cutting pots, bag collection and electrical cabinet pots. Our machine most advantage is that we have totally 6 servo motor to control the whole machine action. Servo motor control the big joint unit, pre-cutting unit, traction unit, snap unit, button pressing unit, and the bag collection unit. The whole machine running controlled by touchscreen and motion controller. Higher intelligence operation and higher output are our main features. Let's join us and contribute to the environmental protection together. See you next time. Bye-bye.